Hello everyone. Today I'll be showing you how you can configure a CPU utilization alert in CloudWatch. So for that you need to log into AWS console and select the EC2 instances, the instance on which you want to apply the CPU monitoring. So go to that instance and after going into the instance, just go to the monitoring tab and when your monitoring tab will get loaded, you will get so many matrix based graphs. So here we have a CPU utilization. So just click on this one and go to the view in matrix. And then you will see this graph. This is the graph based on means this stats like it is collecting the CPU utilization over a period of 5 minutes. It's an average utilization that you are seeing. So we'll click create a alert here. Under the actions, you will see a bell icon. So click on that, and this window will appear. Here, you can uh, check your metric name, instance ID, and then stats. So I'm selecting the average one, and then threshold would be 90%. Whenever my CPU utilization goes above 90%, it should create a alert. So that's it. You need to click on next and alarm state trigger. So when the alarm will get trigger, how you will get notified, this thing you need to choose here. So I want to send a notification on SNS topic. So select an existing SNS topic. Here you need to select your SNS. So I'm already having one. So this one I selected. Now this is the condition when your alarm gets triggered. What if your alarm is resolved? Then there should be OK notification, right? So we'll add one more notification here. OK, select the OK, and the same message should go on the same SNS topic. So here I'm sending the OK message that our alert is now alarm is now resolved. So con both the actions has been configured. One is in when the alert is in alarm state and when the alert is in OK state. So both should give a message, send a message to your SNS topic. So that's it. Now click on next. You need to provide your so I'll use this instance name. So instance name CPU utilization in prod is greater than 90%. So this message will appear upon alarm gets triggered. So just click on next now, and these are the settings that you can review after finally creating the alarm. So create alarm now. So right now it is showing insufficient data. Let me refresh. So it will be in okay state in a while. It will take some time. Uh, let's wait. So guys, as you can see, our alarm is now in okay state. So it is finally done and your alarm is created now. So thanks a lot guys. Hope you like this video. Do not forget to subscribe this channel. Yeah, thanks.